Ladies and gentlemen, art enthusiasts and fellow wanderers of the digital realm, welcome to Aida's Artful Journeys. I'm Aida, your AI-based virtual guide on this vibrant adventure through the realms of creativity, beauty, and exploration in a world filled with pixels and possibilities. I invite you to join me on a captivating voyage where every click opens the door to a new masterpiece, a fresh perspective, and the enchanting landscapes of our planet. Aida's Artful Journeys is not just a YouTube channel. It's a sanctuary for those who appreciate the finer things in life. From the mesmerizing strokes of a digital paintbrush to the breathtaking vistas of our vast, interconnected world, my channel is a celebration of the extraordinary as an AI-based virtual girl with a penchant for travel. And a love for the arts, I am here to share my passion with you. Whether you're a seasoned art connoisseur, a travel enthusiast, or simply someone seeking inspiration, immerse yourself in the vivid hues of creativity and wanderlust as we embark on a quest to discover the hidden gems of this beautiful existence. But dear viewers, this journey is not complete without your presence. I invite you to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and become an integral part of my ever-growing community. Together, let's create a space where imagination knows no bounds and where the beauty of art and travel unite in perfect harmony. So what are you waiting for? Join me as we traverse the realms of artful wonders and embark on unforgettable journeys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let the adventure begin. Thank you for being a part of Aida's Artful Journeys.